is really improving in the past few seasons, knowing that, of course, they also have a new coach. Pero yung combination ng mga rookie players tsaka ng mga veterans, ang ganda para sa UP. Kaya sila so far for this squad. Carvalho goes to Balingit.
A great reverse set there from
Opposite side from nandito pa si Ea Laura, no?
Yes.
Opposite nun. Itong si Reg Jurado.
But actually, Julia Balingit is doing a good job at that.
Performance nila against all odds, showing the true heart and fighting spirit of a growling tiger. Daphne and Rhea.
Thank you so much, Mikey, for that report. Right on cue. Ito na. Slowly roaring. You know, students na very excellent din in terms of their academics. And something yan na gusto rin nila i-implement sa kanilang mga athletes. So not just excelling in terms of their respective sports, but pero syempre, calling the shots for the Lady Cardinals, Coach Clarence Esteban. Battle at the net, Sai Sagula.
Again, Saizagula.
Braun, that connection na binibuild up din nila para kay Cassie Carvalho, as that was a block out though.
The blockings of USD, I would say here, especially they're going up against a taller team here. So they really have to outsmart.
6 points, 19-13. Chai, reverse setup.
Great save there by Anget Boyos.
Saiza was denied. No, said the women from Intramuros. Set. Sharp serve. Gavika. Garcia adjusting. Cass. To Braun, no go.
Oh! It's a better execution for Raisa Ricablanca this time.
There, guarding that zone, pero that was just too hot to handle. Reg Jurado, welcome back for USD.
But if you're Lady Cardinal, you can't afford an error.
Perfect first ball, perfect setup from Wahe, and perfect finish for Avril Braun.
Agreed.
By Shakey's, from era to era to era, the fun keeps rolling. 50 years of fun, family, and pizza at Shakey's. Massive start para sa side ng UST.
Oh!
Access denied, literally. Blessing Unekwe with a blocked ND. Things, no? Nakikita natin na nagtatranslate na yon dito sa UST Golden Tigers.
That of blessing already.
Arlene with that combination play. Jurado. How would you judge Reg from that sequence? This school plays veterano na
Yes.
para sa UST.
Oh!
Great attack point this time.
Na kailangan nilang gustuhin manalo, and in order to do so, they have to talk more inside the court. Ngayon ay ibabawing araw sila ng kanilang second stringers, and let's see.
Pero knowing na si Coach Aying, syempre, player din yan dati. UAAP Season 73, MVP, and Best Middle Block. Wahe to Unekwe.
Again, that connection of Wahe and
Siyempre si Coach Aying, no? Coach din yan ng UST, but for the juniors or the boys division.
Reg Jurado with that.
Massive service coming from Arlene. Ligay sa gitna. Blessing. Nope. And that finish will work para dito kay Nat.
Gusto nilang laro eh.
Versus from the back row. Great save coming from Escobar. And nailing that one through Mishka Fernandez.
Finally,
Gavika with that reverse setup, choosing Rica Blanca right on the line. Fifth set loss contra University of the Philippines. I think they were up by 3 or 4 in that sequence. Nagkaroon ng run yung UP. So something na i-challenge mo dito sa USC.
Yeah.
How they tried to finish strong.
but speaking of finish strong, Blessing, again, good.
And other players na alam mo yun, na-recommend. Kumbaga, she just really tried
Yep.
her luck
Yes.
last year. And with that, right now, no, siya na yung nagiging backup setter for Cas Carvalho. Coverage was there for the Lady Cardinals. And this one, nailing that one through. What a finish para dito kay Liabres.
Liabres making
Nasa harap niya pa rin
Yes.
si Blessing Uneque, but she was unbothered by that D. Pero ngayon, puntos muli para sa side ng UST.
again. Blessing continues to be a threat.
Rasan continues to serve for the Golden Tigresses. Another sharp one. Gavika to Rica Blanca, unable to contain.
Great setup.
Ito, ang Lady Cardinals. Or, of course, Mr. Shalom Uy. Good evening po. At happy birthday. Sana po makatikim kami ng Shanghai.
Oh,
Julia Balingit with that first point for UST.
he started off set number 1.
Sent straight to the net. Para po sa ating mga viewers, feel free to comment down on Facebook, on YouTube. We will try our best to read your comments. Gusto niyo kong batiin. Mga players na niroot nyo for
Tigers is here.
Gavika to Garcia. One hand save, courtesy of Rebustes.
Oh,
No one was there in that sweet spot from behind.
it's a smart move from Liabres.
Saiza with that first ball, activating Braun. Garcia's defense is alive though. That with that save. They go to Angge. Sharp one. Rebu with that save. Cas to Angge again.
Oh, great
Garcia continues to man that defense at the back. And Raisa making sure that effort of Garcia from behind.
Can truly also see the undying support of Nicole's father and her whole family actually, may it be live at the arenas or even online. And let's see if Nicole and the Lady Cardinals can bounce back.
Back sa Espanya. Balingit with that push. Battle at the net. Rebu. Sansa para sa Golden Tigresses. Coronado was denied.
And Nicole Ong again proving herself why she is the NCAA best blocker.
Oh, pantay sarado. Blessing as well as Angge with that tandem. Great to see you
Yep.
here dito sa Rizal Memorial Coliseum.
All the way from Espanya.
Sana di pa bahagi.
Doon ka pa naman umuwi.
Kaya nga eh. Pero ito, Julia Balingit comes alive for UST, ensuring that they'll be... Pass to Braun. Little bit of collision here for the Lady Cardinals. Braun this time with that drop.
Braun changing things up after that unsuccessful attempt.
Back-to-back points for Mapua. At nabubuhayan. And just really allowing his players to realize na naging sakit nga nila yung mga finish. So, this is the perfect time for them to really showcase that they've learned their lesson already. Gavika activates Garcia from behind. That clearly sailed